Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how can we navigate within OBS Studio, how can we record the video, how can we do some of the important settings, and at the end of the video, you'll be able to use OBS Studio like a pro. Let's dive in. To install the OBS Studio, first I will go to Google Chrome and type obsproject.com. This is the official website. When I hit enter, it will take me to the official website so I can install the OBS Studio either for Windows, for Mac, or Linux. So install according to your device or operating system. Press Windows button so it will start downloading the OBS Studio for my Windows because I have already installed. So I will just go to the OBS Studio. So this is the very first one, the home page. When you open it, it will ask you one or two setting, which is about the do you want to use it for streaming or the recording purpose. So I will choose this one for the recording purpose and press next. And about the resolution, I'm okay with that. And FPS, I will keep it to 60 and next. And then apply setting. So this was the very first option appear when you first time open the OBS Studio, which I just discussed it now. Right. So this is the very first very layout when you entered into OBS Studio on at the bottom. The first I need to select the scene. Scene mean the monitor, which monitor you want to make recording on. So this is the is it has to be one selected. So I'm already recording in one monitor, so I no need to add any further monitor. But if you want to record more than one monitor, you need to select another monitor. Next important thing is source. So what is the source from where the OBS Studio will record? So I will say plus button and then go to display capture, the display which I want to capture. I will press OK. This name is fine. And now I will select the display which I want to capture from here, from the display option. I will go to this one. So now it is showing my file which I want to record, where I want to make recording in. I will press OK. So this display has been captured. So here from you can minimize it, you can resize, crop it, but I'm okay with this display. And next thing is I want to record my sound as well while recording. So again, I'll go to plus button and then I'll go to audio input capture and then I'm okay with this name, okay. And then I will select my device, which is this one, and press OK. Now my mic has been selected. I also want to record the sound coming out from the speakers of my laptop. So I will go to plus button and say audio output capture and okay with this name, press OK. And now I will select my speakers, which are this one, press OK. Now the audio device has been selected, the speaker has been selected, the display has been selected. I can adjust the volume from here on right hand side, more or less according to my wish. And let's go to some of the important setting. Go to the file and settings. It will open another window. So in general, there are some general related to language, update channel. I would suggest to leave it as it is. And next important thing is output. So output is asking for me the relevant is recording one. Where do I want to save my output file? So I would like to save it in my download. So I will select the download path, then select folder. Recording quality, I'm okay with this one. Recording format, there are different formats here, mp4.mkv. So I suggest to use this one. And then I would leave the rest of the setting as it is. Then I'll go to the audio option. Audio option, to be honest, I will leave it as it is, so it works well. Go to the video option. Video is about the resolution, so I'm also happy with this resolution, which is already been selected here. And common FPS values, this is 60, so I will change it to 29.97 and it will really help me in further editing of the video as well. So just keep this thing in mind. Hotkeys, I can define the hotkeys for start recording or stop recording, for pause, for example. If when I press F3, it should pause the recording, so it will define that hotkey. Accessibilities, so there are different color. I can choose the different color for accessing the different options, and there are some advanced options as well about the video, and I would suggest if you are beginner, just leave it as it is. And what I need to do, press apply button and press OK. And now I'm good to go. My screen has been selected. My audio device, my video device has been selected now. All I need to do, press the start recording here, this option, and it will start recording my file. So let's test it for a few seconds. I will hit the start recording. Okay, I'm in this file now, and OBS Studio is recording my voice, and whatever I type here, some formula, whatever close or bracket, is giving me error because I'm not selecting any data. So this was the just test of the recording. So this is end of the video. I will just say stop recording here, and it will stop recording me, and it will save the file in my downloads. Let's head over to downloads, minimize all those files, and I will go to my downloads, and you can see the file has been saved here. When I open this file and see what it's recorded. Okay, I'm in this file now, and OBS Studio is recording my voice, and whatever I type here, some formula, whatever close or bracket, is giving me error because I'm not selecting any data. So this was the just test of the recording. So this is end of the video. I will just say stop recording. Yeah, so this was the video. If I go to the OBS Studio, it's saved where I selected the path. As you can see in my recorded video, so I'm not happy with the volume, so I can change the volume. I can reduce the volume little bit for my mic, and also I can reduce the volume for the speakers as well. And there are some advanced setting as well. So like here, so you can test it out. You can adjust the setting according to your choice. When you see the volume is fine, you're happy with it, you just apply those settings and close this window. And that's it. So this was the beginner tutorial for OBS Studio. Hit the like button if this video is helpful, and subscribe if you want to watch more tutorials like this. So I will definitely see you guys in next video.